Okay, today we take a look at the unboxing of the Samsung SSD, NVMe M.2 SSD, Samsung 980. It's a 500 gigabyte. When you take it out of the box, you get this plastic cover it's got on inside where the SSD is lying. It's quite well packed. Then when you remove the top cover, you get presented with this lovely small SSD. That's the Samsung NVMe M.2 SSD. Yes, and underneath that you get the information book lying at the bottom of this box. All the information of the product. And inside there you get a small card to download the Magician's software coming with this product. This is just for drive health check, performance optimization, firmware update, and data management of the product. Then they got a address where you can download it. Available now at samsung.com/magician. Of course, in different languages as well. Yeah, this was the unboxing of the NVMe M.2 SSD from Samsung, the SSD 980. It's got just for you to take a read speed of about 3,500 megabytes per second. I bought this little baby from EveTech, the guys with the very, very good client service and fast delivery. Thumbs up for you guys. On that note, guys, I will speak again. I'll see you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.